Hi guys, I'm Anthony, and this is a really small bake. Today we're going to make hot lava fudge cakes. Here's what you need. Have a cup of cubed butter, a cup of semi-sweet chocolates, 2 whole eggs and 2 yolks, 1/4 cup of sugar, and cocoa powder for dusting. Start by cubing the butter. Cubing the butter is easy. Just cut the butter into small squares. Now we're going to throw the chocolate chips into the butter. Now that we mix it, we're going to double boil it and make sure your parents do it because the steam is hot. You can see the chocolates are starting to melt. Have your parents mix it over the pan, but make sure they're careful because it's hot. Now it's all nice and smooth. We already separated our 2 yolks. Now we're going to put it in the 2 eggs. Make sure after you're done cracking eggs to wash your hands. Now we're going to add sugar and a little bit of salt. Now let's whisk it. And keep whisking until it's white. Now that our eggs are whisked, we're going to pour in the chocolate. Now that's all in, we're going to fold it. Make sure you fold the chocolate in with the egg until they're mixed together. This is looking good. Now that we got our little ramekins, we're going to butter them and put cocoa powder in them. Let's get started. Alright, so now we buttered them. Now we're going to put cocoa powder. Now that we got our cocoa in, we're going to spin it around so that the cocoa can stick to the butter. Now that we got our cocoa powder in the ramekins, we're going to put the batter in. We filled it up to 2/3 because in the oven it will grow and you don't want it to overflow. I don't know about you, but I think this is my favorite dessert on the cruise with ice cream. We're going to tap it on the side so it flattens out. Now that we got them ready, we're going to put them in the oven at 450 degrees for 9 to 10 minutes. And have your parents do it. They're nice and hot because we got them out of the oven. We're going to give them a minute to cool down. And we're also going to flip it to see what happens. Hey, look, these came out great. They didn't stick. Let's sprinkle some powdered sugar on it. It's just like make it look nice. Now let's see how it tastes. Whoa, this looks good. Like and subscribe and watch the next video.